Hello everyone. In this video we learn about light and sound. Are you able to see in a dark room? No. You need light to see. From where do you get light? Yes, we get light from the sun, candles, lamps, torches and bulbs. We can divide all objects into two groups, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous objects. Objects that give us light are called luminous objects. Example, bulb, candle and torch are luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give us light are called non-luminous objects. Pencils, book, table and chair are non-luminous objects. We see non-luminous objects when light fall on them. The sun is the main source of heat and light on earth. It is a natural luminous object. Light a torch on a table. Now place a ball between the torch and the table. What do you notice? A dark image appear on the table behind the ball. This is the shadow of the ball. Shadows are formed when an object blocks the path of the light. Some things like glass do not form shadow because they let the light pass through them. You see your dark image on the ground when you stand under the sun. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. The size of the shadow changes from time to time during the day due to change in the position of the sun. In the morning, the shadow is long. In the noon, the shadow is short. In the evening, the shadow is long. Sound. In our daily life, we hear different types of sounds. The ringing of phone, the honking of horns, and the chirping of birds are different types of sound. Some sounds are soft while some sounds are loud. Some are pleasant and some are unpleasant. We like soft and pleasant sounds. We do not like loud and unpleasant sounds. Noise. Sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Too much of noise is bad for our health. It harms our ears and makes us deaf. Noise is reduced by speaking softly, always playing TV and music system in low volume. Thank you children. For more educational video, please subscribe Gravity Gained.